Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video on how to work and download OBS Studio, a video recorder. So first you go to your website that you use, your browser, and you type in OBS or OBS or whatever you want to call it. And you go to this, OBS Open Broadcaster Software. Pick whichever one you use. I use Windows, so I'm going to click on that. And then this will download. And once it is done downloading, it should pop up like somewhere around here in your desktop. It'll pop up on your like home screen thing. So I'm gonna cancel the download because I already have it installed. So, and once it shows this right here, you just click on that once it's done downloading, and then it'll show probably like this right here and a black screen right here. If you push transition, then it'll be the same exact thing on both sides if you make a change. So what you want to do is, you already have a scene right here. It doesn't say oof. You can I just renamed it, but I'm making a video. You want to do desktop audio, just push plus right here, and it'll pop up a bunch of stuff. It doesn't pop it up for me because I already have it. Mic, if you have like a built-in mic, which I do, and so you push plus and it'll be here. Display capture, it'll also be here. There's another one that I could use right here too. And game capture. You can find that in here also. If you want to get rid of any of them, you can just like click it and then push minus, and then it'll pop up this. Are you sure you want to remove mic/aux? You can just push yes if you want to. And you can rename your scene if you want to also. And this is like your audio. And whenever I talk, it makes that bar go up. Here's the start recording normally, but right now I am recording, so here's the start streaming. You need to have that set up to stream, and you can do that in the settings. Right here. I'll do that in another video. Show you guys how to work the stream in another video. Fade 300 milliseconds. That should be default. It might be cut. I might have changed it. This should also probably be cut. I'll put, like, if you want to add a webcam, then you, like, the mic and aux, that, like, lets you talk and let people hear you in your recording. The desktop audio is like whenever you're playing a game or something, it shows you the audio, like decibels. The display capture is this, and the game capture, I really don't know, but you need to add it. So if you want a webcam, you do video capture device, and you normally should do create new, make source visible, push OK. Okay, and then it'll pop this up, and resolution FPS type, that doesn't really matter that much. That's like zoom. If you do custom, that's like really like that's square shape, like, and this. I don't know, it was just a good place to record. with no noise. So I normally do 1280 by 720, but you guys can do something different. So you just push OK. Yeah, OK. You can move this around anywhere you want. This stripe is like, that won't show in the video that you make. So you can like make this smaller, or bigger, whatever. And yeah. So that's how to work OBS. Oh yeah, and if you want to see your videos, then you go to File, Show Recordings. Then this is, I don't even know what this is. 0 bytes. I have no idea how a video can be 0 bytes, so I'm just gonna delete it. What the? Alright, whatever. Oh, now it says 91.7 megabytes, alright. I don't even know what that is, but whatever. That's how you see your videos. Normally they'll be like the date that they were made, 2019, 06, 01, 22, 21, 58. It's probably like the minutes or whatever. And yeah, right now it doesn't show myself in the webcam, so I'm gonna push transition and then it'll pop up. And yeah, that's how to work OBS for noobs like me.